My guy, knowing how to talk to your mechanic and communicating the symptoms of your car goes a long way in getting your car fixed right.
Don't come and torment me for my workshop.
Come closer. Let me tell you how to communicate with a mechanic when your car needs fixing. 1. Communicate your car's problem clearly. Telling your mechanic that your car is doing somehow is not a clear information of what is wrong with your car.
No problem. God will see you.
Go into details. Tell him what you have seen on the dashboard. Tell him where you have felt it, any noise you've heard, any vibration, any sound you hear, where you hear it, any particular smell you perceive. Say everything as you observe it. It will give your mechanic a better insight on where to start diagnosis on your car.
You get it?
Just in case you could not communicate clearly or that he did not understand what you said, you and your mechanic can go for a test drive for him to observe all those problems you have mentioned. Don't forget to drop your details in case you need to be reached for any reason. It could be emergency or change in price of parts. Now that your mechanic knows what needs to be repaired, it is time for him to give you a cost of what it will take to repair your car and how long it will take for him to repair it. Please, don't forget to drop your details in case they need to reach you for any reason or when it's time for you to pick up your car.
You were not informed.
One, if you love that your car, only deal with professional auto technicians and not any babalawo that you see wearing coverall, carrying spanner.
Speedometer is finished.
It could have just been Lee. You need a trusted and qualified technician. Don't worry. Calm on down. I can hook you up.
It is what it is.